Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. Hope you all are doing well, and I hope you liked my last video on books and you must have got inspiration to read some books. Now today vlog is something like we are gonna share our food habits and what we like to eat. So today it's a lazy summer evening, you could say. Yes, summers are here, the temperature is too high here, and I was craving for something cold and something like little bit chatpata chaat kind of thing. And but then as I said, I was lazy and I didn't want to start anything from scratch, so I found a midway out and I got some samosas from the market. Here are these samosas. These are nice, hot and crisp. So I got this from market and I thought of making dahi samosa chaat. Yes, I think that could will be helpful to quench, not quench actually, that will helpful me to fulfill my cravings for something cold and tangy chaat. So let's start. I have kept everything prepped. I'm just taking some samosa curd, some save and some pudina with some chutneys. That's it, simple, but it will be like semi cooking, so I'm not going to make it from scratch. I have my samosas and some ingredients which are already there at my home. I will just mix it and make a nice samosa chaat and enjoy the sunset. So let's begin. So a simple dahi samosa is ready. We'll test this. Just mix it a little bit before you take it. So I'm mixing the curd with the save and the sauce. Really, this is really very yummy. The dahi, the crispy samosa, the stuffing of samosa all together with mint leaves, freshness of mint leaves, and also extra crunch of save and the tomato and the chili sauce. Really, this is a nice combination which you can have in your lazy Sunday afternoon or late evening. It's very nice. Very nice burst of flavors, and you just have to make it and eat it immediately, otherwise the crispiness of samosa will not stay intact. I love having chaat and chaats like this which have a balance of flavors and they don't overpower in spices or in they're not that much tangy, hot or spicy. Are really a chaat which you can eat throughout. And for summers, this dahi samosa, dahi valle, dahi papdi are really a relief, and it really helps you to beat the heat. Wow, you know, a good food really helps to, stress, boost your stress out, and these are nice mood lifter. I enjoyed my evening making this simple samosa chaat, enjoying the sunset, and simple things. We rather going outside and getting complete spicy chaat, we can bring some component and make it in our home and enjoy. I also ask you to share your simple charts, which something from outside, something from inside, and you make it yourself. It's not like all things are coming from outside, and you love eating them. Share me your lazy Sunday evenings recipes or charts, or especially summer, what charts you love to eat during summer. I enjoyed this video of making samosa chaat. Please share your opinion, comment what you like about it, and let me know. Till then, bye bye, see you in the next vlog.